Say bye.
Bye. Now he's going to be right back.
Be right back. I don't do well in this cold. So you're wondering, Nick, why are you doing a vlog? Well, it's really not a vlog. It kind of is. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it is. It's a vlog. But I want to do something a little bit different and call it something completely different. So that's why parables were born. Parables will be how I tell stories. Parables will be how I instruct. Oh, I should probably put my seatbelt on. And I probably shouldn't do this while I'm driving. Parables will give you an insight into my daily life, which no one cares about, but mixed in with that, you'll see a good dose of education, of learning, stories, of things that you'll be able to take away in your business and in your marketing that will change the way you think, change the way that you potentially operate marketing inside of your company. I think one of the most glaring weaknesses, or one of the most glaring issues that I see small business owners make, particularly in the insurance space, when it comes to their marketing, is they fail to address people in the level of awareness that they're at, which is just fancy marketing talk for, hey buddy, wrong message at the wrong time. Essentially what I see, and I'll give an example, is somebody will say, you need to buy umbrella insurance, which is true. That is a true statement. However, you've addressed the person when they weren't ready to even have the conversation about umbrella insurance. Most people are unaware of a problem. They're not even aware that they need an umbrella policy. So the worst thing that you can do at that time is just come at them and say, buy this. You have to educate. You have to bring people through a journey and make them aware that they even have a problem. And when they do, then you can go for the ask. It's just simple, buyer psychology. Everybody is on a path, everybody's on a journey, regardless if we're buying bubblegum, blue jeans, or private islands in the Bahamas. Everybody goes through a journey of evaluation, decision-making, and purchase. And the first thing you have to do is you have to make them aware that there's even a potential problem. And I think that that's the biggest issue that I see a lot of people having, and why so many people aren't getting the conversions that they want in the marketing, because they fail to understand who the audience is, and they fail to understand where they're at in the buyer's journey. All right, so I'm here at Denny's, and every Thursday morning I meet with a group of some of our referral partners, and we have breakfast together, and we do some networking, and it's fun. It's traditional networking meeting, and people always ask me, do you still do this with your digital insurance agency? Yeah, I still do it. I have a lot of good, really friends here, referral partners, and it's a lot of fun.
2 bedrooms, 1,100 square feet.
1,100 square feet.
Yo, what's up, Nick?
George Callis, the greatest mortgage loan officer that God ever made.
Wow, I'm humbled.
All right, leaving the networking meeting, time to go home. Got word that we have somebody that wants to join Major League Video Marketing, so I'm gonna go home and get them onboarded, and rock and roll. But first, I gotta get some coffee.
Chattanooga a couple times a week because I believe in having forward momentum in all the moving parts, right? So that's why once you're doing all those other things, I feel like everything adds up for everything to like hit that end result that we're looking for.
Yeah.
Because that goes back to like it's not just always about just the campaigns we're going to be running, you know?
Right. All right, coffee in hand, it's time to head over to the new Meiji Look Studios where they are doing some construction. My good friend Frank Schwarzbach, who owns Black Creek Construction, him and his crew they're over there, they're doing some build out. Pretty stoked to see the progress. This looks nice.
You got to create 2 pies, and you have to add in the radius times the length times the width, and then you do a little emblem shape.
So you can use that. You can kind of pack that targeting as a means to get in front of them on the home side.
Yeah, like Teslas, BMWs.
Yep.
Our office is right in the middle of one of those, so I see them all the time. Like I want to kind of like, hey, come see us, come talk to me.
Yep.
I'll even get dressed up for work if they need me to. Greg laughing.
The other issue that a lot of creators have when they are thinking about making content is always ask themselves, well, how long should my content be? Should I make it 30 seconds? Should I make it a minute? Should I make it 2 minutes? Should I make it 10 minutes? An hour? How long is too long? How short is too short? And this coincides directly with where people are at in the buyer's journey. So if somebody is not aware that they have a problem, you want to make that content as short as humanly possible. Because let's just put this in perspective. If you want to sell me a timeshare, I don't have time to watch more than 3 seconds of that content. But if you want to sell me a camera that's got, 120 frames per second, it's got, a 1-inch sensor, it's got, all these gadgets, and I'll watch that for 20 minutes because I'm in that mode and I'm already in that decision-making process. The same thing is true when you are making content. When you're thinking about making content for your business, you want to make it relevant to where people are at in the buyer's journey. If they are really wanting to evaluate or make a decision on something, they're willing to watch something a lot longer because they're trying to understand and make that consideration happen. So make sure that you are making content that's relevant to where people are at. And when you make it to where people are at, it's going to answer the question, how long should my content be?